Well, good morning and welcome back to 3 News First Edition. And it is a very quiet weather pattern over much of the U.S., the continental 48, Lone Star State, nothing but clear skies, a few clouds moving offshore. And what I'm watching in the forecast for late Sunday night into early Monday is some of this cloud cover, some snowfall, a little bit of rainfall across I-54, or at least I should say I-84. And northwest of Utah. This will provide a next system to come down by tomorrow night, Monday morning, which will provide another chance at rain, but it is mostly going to be liquid. We're not talking about frozen rain, nothing of that sort in the extended forecast. In fact, temperatures are going to warm up from here on out. Right now, we have freeze warnings in effect until 9 a.m. this morning, which does include Corpus Christi and much of the viewing area. Some of our freeze warnings in effect until 8 a.m. out to our south and west. Temperature right now, it's at 30, partly cloudy to mostly clear. It feels more like 25 when you add on that north wind at 5 miles an hour. So wind chill out there, but not as bad as it's been in the last week or so. Again, things are improving in the weather department. Right now, it's partly cloudy, mostly clear. Temperatures are feeling it 32 in Robstown at freezing, 29 in Mathis. 2 degrees below that in Beeville, 27. Same thing in Kingsville, 24. That's the cold spot this morning at Falfurrias, and 37 over in Port Aransas. So you'll see it's a little bit more mild, not mild, but still warmer along our coastal communities as opposed to the middle to upper 20s out in our far western counties. Now it feels more like 21 in Beeville, pair of 2s over in Kingsville, and 24 in Falfurrias. Now, clear skies above, but at the surface, a little bit of fog out there between Corpus Christi, Portland, Ingleside, and Rockport. Now, why this is important, there's only one pocket of fog out there. Keep in mind, that's moisture at the surface. Temperatures are below freezing, if not at freezing, especially between Corpus Christi and Rockport. So I'm only looking at some isolated freezing fog. It is not going to be widespread. Mostly, it is dry out there. And if you're getting out this morning, it is safe. It's just some of those pockets of fog may be freezing at times, which may accumulate on your windshield and may lead to some isolated slick spots out there. Again, not expecting it to be widespread as fog is not a big issue this morning. Right now it's 30 in Corpus Christi, 26 in San Antonio, colder out north and east, 33 in Houston. We have a surface high pressure out to our north and east, and this will influence our weather over the next couple of days. And right now it's giving us clear skies and a beautiful setup to kickstart the weekend. Now, as we go into tomorrow, humidity builds, and then by late Sunday, Monday morning, we're going to watch a weak front move in, and that's going to provide and reinforce a drier pattern through Monday and Tuesday. Now, watch what happens between Monday and Thursday of next week. We start to climb and climb. Wednesday and Thursday, dew points or humidity start to top out in the 60s. Why that's important? Well, that's going to contribute to a warming trend, which is something we desperately need, right? Temperatures go from the lower 60s for today, which is not cold but cool, and much better than where we've been the last 7 days. Lower 70s for tomorrow, and then middle to upper 70s by Wednesday and Thursday, pushing near 80 degrees by middle of next week. So we have a much more mild and Texas pattern on the horizon for next week. Now, here's future cast and future radar. We have the surface area of high pressure moving off east. That's going to open the door for a little bit more cloud cover for tomorrow. So for today, clear skies. Tomorrow, more clouds. We'll call it partly cloudy. And then watch what happens as a cold front approaches. This will start to spark off our next chance at rain. Now, I do think most of the heavier action will be northeast on I-10 near Houston. But notice around 4 or 5 a.m. Monday morning, just before sunrise, we're looking at a small chance at rain, mainly sprinkles, light showers here and there. And then all day Monday, Tuesday, clear skies, a lot of sunshine in the forecast, and getting a lot of questions on social media. Is there any more cold polar Arctic outbreaks in the forecast? It looks like the upper level winds will mainly stay to the north, or at least the colder air near the northern U.S. and near Canada. So right now it's looking more like a Texas weather pattern for us for the next 7 days, which is always good news. This weekend's forecast, temperatures lower 70s for Sunday, increasing clouds, southeast winds 10 to 20, and 7-day forecast shows that rain chance late Sunday, early Monday, otherwise clear and sunshine. Temperatures in the upper 60s through Tuesday, upper 70s by Wednesday, with another chance at rain coming in for Thursday. Brian.
Thank you, Ryan.